MobileRobot is a research project founded by the Federal Ministry of Economic Affairs and Energy, Germany. Partnering with GD Engineering and Automation GmbH and Göttingen KG, the goal is to break the boundaries of mobile manipulation.
So MobileRobot is a mobile manipulator, a robotic workhorse that combines the handling abilities of a robot arm with the flexibility of a mobile platform. On top we have a standard KUKA 6-axis industrial robot arm equipped with a welding torch as a tool. But since we don't weld here for safety reasons, a red light indicates where the welding process takes place. The mobile platform consists of two drive steering modules that can make the platform go in any direction needed. For navigation purposes, we have a 270 degrees laser rangefinder on the platform that works in conjunction with this 2D line laser that is installed at the tool, so the surrounding area can be mapped and the workpiece can be identified.
Every welding task starts with a teach-in process, where certain key points of the welding trajectory are recorded. The teach-in process is conducted by the KUKA control pad, using a custom app that not only controls the manipulator, but also the platform in a unified way. First, the base is positioned close to the work area. Using the manipulator, the tooltip is set on the key point to be recorded. The point is stored on the control system, which includes information about the coordinates of the platform, the joint angles of the manipulator, as well as the sensors information of the 2D line laser. In this way, every key point is located in the work area's reference frame. This process is repeated for all key points along the welding path, creating a path consisting of connected lines. The key points are used as input for the path planner to create a trajectory that moves the platform and the manipulator along the needed welding track. Using the 2D line laser, a closed-loop controller can follow the welding trajectory. The stored key points are located in 3D, using the platform's position, the joint angles and the data of the 2D line laser. Using the stored key points, MobileRobot's path planner plans a path connecting all key points. By guiding the tool along this trajectory, the exact welding path is followed using the trajectory controller. Starting from a parking position, MobileRobot first approaches the workpiece. Relying on the platform's 270 degrees LiDAR sensor, the start point of the welding trajectory can be approached autonomously. The manipulator's joints approach the orientations, recording for the first key point during teach-in. With this, the workpiece enters the 2D line laser sensor area, which engages a second localization layer centered around the tool. Relying on a trajectory created by the path planner, the welding operation starts once the start pose is reached. Curvatures or obstacles along the path are detected by the tool's 2D line laser, and the closed-loop trajectory control keeps the tool on track. Once the welding operation is fully executed, MobileRobot autonomously clears the work area by reaching for the set parking position.